Kourtney, you have a really big spot on the top of your head. Have you seen that?
It happened to Kourtney Kardashian, and it can happen to you. Defined as a part of the head where there is complete hair loss or thinner hair. A bald spot can be caused by different reasons. In today's video, we'll focus on the solution, hair patches, and easy, painless, and affordable way to combat bald spots. There are 7 things to learn and consider before starting to use one. Number 1, type. You will find 2 kinds of hair patches. One is designed to cover bald spots and the other to cover receding hairlines. At Super Hair Pieces, both are handmade with human hair to guarantee a natural look and versatility. Number 2, base. You will choose between 2 materials. It's either lace or skin. The final decision will depend on your priorities. If durability and easy maintenance are your top benefits, go with skin. You won't sacrifice a natural look if the skin is thin. On the other hand, if you prioritize breathability and a natural look, go with lace. The maintenance might be slightly more demanding than a skin base, but practice makes perfect and you'll master it sooner than you think. Number 3, color. Select the color that matches your natural hair. If you don't find it among the wide variety we offer, don't panic, we do custom pieces. Number 4, size. Always buy a piece larger than the area you need to cover. This way, you can trim the edges to create a perfect fit. Number 5, installation. Hair patches are effortless to install. Cut the patch according to your bald area, glue, or tape it. Blend it with your natural hair and you're all set. At Super Hair Pieces, we also offer ready-to-wear patches that do not require any cutting. Number 6, removing the hair patch. Spray remover around the edge of the base and gently peel off the patch. Be careful, especially if using lace, as it could tear. Once removed, wash off the glue until the piece is completely residue-free and ready for reinstallation. Number 7, living with a hair patch. There are no restrictions while using hair patches. You can continue all your regular activities, including showering, going to the sauna, swimming, working out, or even riding a motorbike. Just remember, if you go swimming, wash your hair immediately afterward. Chlorine and pool water can change the color of your patch if not washed, making it harder to blend with your natural hair and losing its natural appearance. Now you know everything about hair patches, we invite you to visit our website and check out the different options we've designed for you. And that's it. All the best in your journey. See you in our next video.